Ulat bathamai ke Jala Meghalaya Chandra Shekhar H. Vijaya Shankar ulapan kan mau bahakapor budang long MP Lok Sabha na Mysore Parliamentary Constituency hakasien baningkong ulap baulit porno e Sangma MP Lok Sabha barim Nagtura Parliamentary Constituency ude ulam phang hakayeng dorbar thau ain Lok Sabha bat Mynta habawan kum ulat bathamai ke Jala Meghalaya Usyampan Khun jong lit PA Sangma katau Konrad ke Sangma ude menteri rangba Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hadin bola dapan smai kumulat ke jela hak laipo teri unaitung araja arpusaw haraj bhavan ulaong bos ngokmen banyoi baka sarkar jela hangni kaya trei lang baka National Democratic Alliance NDA sepedeng India ulaong bakat kum kariti sensyar kari India unya lek kat bala banyo ya kejing sanya scam na kinong song snong ke jela bat kimat ya kran ki badai na kebenta katany unsyem kia bat ulaong ru baka roi kapar kedai kebadan kambha Hakawai pat kaliang ulaong, bau day ubriu bo iet yaki klau ki betam, bat usngok men bau poi sa Meghalaya kum ulat, ule thuru, bau menteri rang badu kari India Narendra Modi, ula phone yu ban pentep, bau nyok ka kubor ka babha bat ula yok jing tep pat hadien, bau wan syemti kum ulat ka jela Meghalaya.
Mitela, I am really very glad to be here. As a governor of Meghalaya, it is really an opportunity for me to serve the Meghalaya as a governor of the state. In that way, really I am grateful to the President of the nation, Draupadi Murmu. Even I am really grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji. I am also probably coming from the similar area. Almost my area is also covered by forest. Here also almost the area of Meghalaya covered by forest. I have been heard that it is a very clean city. Maximum importance Meghalaya people given to maintain that cleanliness. Maximum importance Meghalaya people always used to give. City should be clean. State should be always clean. I have been heard that it is a clean city. Cleanliness is the top priority here. So accordingly, I have been inspired, and I have heard that it is a very peaceful state. No law and order problem, and people are very cordial here. So they used to respect everybody, love everybody. So accordingly, it is not unlike any other state. I am supposed to work here as a governor. I take everybody into confidence here, not only government, not only bureaucracy. I take everybody into confidence and only development. I know any personal agenda here. I never keep any personal agenda here, including political. I know any personal agenda. Prime Minister and the President of India, they have sent me here to serve this state as a governor. That's all my responsibility. As a governor, whatever I am supposed to look after, whatever is supposed to care I have to take, only I stick on to that. Rest of the aspect, other issue, it is not at all related to me. As a governor, I serve here. When I complete my tenure here as a governor of the state, when I go back, not only the government, not only the bureaucracy, entire Meghalaya people should say, one of the very good governor we had for the first so many years. Every people should say, one of the honest, one of the very development oriented governor he had come to our state. This you people, in the sense Meghalaya people, always should remember. In that way, I am ready to give my time. Day and night I am ready to work. And I take the local government also into confidence. And fortunately, India government is here. And one more thing I tell you, I am so proud to say here, when I entered into parliament as a parliament member, Mr. Sangma was the speaker by that time. Right now, his son, Mr. Sangma, is the chief minister here. When I entered into parliament first time, His father was the speaker. When I had come here as a governor, his son is the chief minister here. So accordingly, I know this family very well. I know the background of the family. And moreover, India government is running here. I take everybody into confidence. Ultimately, we have to run the government smoothly. And always we have to give maximum priority and preference to the development of the state. Accordingly, I work here as a governor. You see, I am proud to say, even Abdul Kalam, he was not knowing he is going to be the president of the nation. As a professor, he was teaching to the student. Atal Bihari Vajpayee being the Prime Minister of the country, he telephoned to Mr. Kalam. Kalam was shocked. In what way I related to the Prime Minister office? Ultimately, he picked the call after 1 hour of time. Then Atalji said, you see, Kalamji, we decided you should be the president of this nation. I am not constitutional expert. No need. Only it needs concern. Only it needs commitment. No need to be law expert. As a professor, you come here. You are an honest person and you dedicate your time to the nation. You can serve the nation better than anybody. We decided you should be the president of the nation. You come to Delhi and you be the president. This is what Atalji said by that time. When Kalamji came to Delhi as a president of the nation, you see, now you remember him as a president of the nation, one of the honest, very dedicated and most humble president of the country. In that way, one side, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I remember, I keep that personality in the mind. And second thing, the Prime Minister of the nation, Mr. Modi, Narendra Modi ji. I keep that personality in the mind. And right now you say it, being the President of the nation, Mr. Kalam, he was an outstanding example how President should work. That personality also I am going to keep in the mind. For your information, I tell you, I never made any request to anybody. I had to be the governor of the Meghalaya. Just 3 days back, Prime Minister telephoned me. Morning by 8:30. I shocked. What is the message to me from the Prime Minister office? Then I picked the call. Then Prime Minister told me, विजय शंकर जी, आपको अच्छी काम हम दे रहे हैं, शाम तक अच्छी खबर मिलेगा. इतना ही बता दिया प्राइम मिनिस्टर, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं बताया. मेरा अवरत से मैंने बताया, अरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, क्या विशेषता है. शाम तक मेरे को जानकारी मिला, मैं गवर्नर बनने जा रहा हूँ. कौन सा स्टेट है मुझे पता नहीं है. रात 12 बजे मुझे पता मिला. आई एम गोइंग टू बी गवर्नर ऑफ द मेघालय. Really, I am very happy because I love forest. I love nature. So accordingly, I had come here. I am going to be with the people. I take you people into confidence. Always I am open-minded. Let us work together for the development of the Meghalaya.
This issue with the central government.
For your information, I tell you, I also belong to backward. And I am coming from the same community. Whichever community you address now, the same community I belongs to the same community, nothing to worry. I know the regional issue here. Long back I had come to Meghalaya. When I was in the standing committee on railways, as a member of parliament, twice I have been visited to Meghalaya. Many times I had come here. But officially I have never been addressed media. This is the first time I am going to address here. Accordingly, I know the regional issues, all those issues we keep in the mind. Let us try to do and give justice to them.
And so, since you want to be the people's governor, what will be your top priority?
Top priorities.
Priority, development. Development of the state. And many of the ministers in the union government, they are my colleagues, they are my friends. I take the local government, the local chief minister into confidence. Always we keep in touch with the union government. Let us see what best can be done to the Meghalaya. Money development, nothing more than that.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F. haka plus F
haka bam bangi bam dunaki eki batai kamet namar kata habat thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F Mynta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya